Okay, so the 7th biggest Shiba Inu holder adds more SHIB without even selling. He must got a plan, and we're gonna talk about what that plan could be or is right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Follow the money. Shiba Inu giant whale adds more SHIB, but he has a plan. Why is he adding this? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You're watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like it and enjoy the video. Now, major Shiba Inu whale accumulated 198 billion. That's a lot, guys. 198 billion SHIB in the past 24 hours and 332 billion in the past week without even selling a single token. Now, this whale now holds 18 trillion SHIB in her wallet. So we just found out this is a woman. Congrats to her. Now, according to etherscan.io, the 7th biggest Shiba Inu holder splurged 1.66 million to accrue a staggering worth 198.43 billion SHIB through one significant transaction in the past 24 hours. God dang, where they getting this money from? So they kind of showed the transaction right here. One single transaction. This is right from Etherscan, reading it on the Shiba Inu Etherscan information here. And it's basically saying, all right, this person got plans. Now, if you're selling something of that amount, of that magnitude, you have a plan, right? What could that plan be? Well, there's news or it's rumors that there's gonna be some news dropping for Shiba Inu. Maybe she knows the scoop about it. Why else would you do this? And look at this, as reported, I'll highlight this area. As reported earlier by Crypto Basic, Binance ranked Shiba Inu as the 3rd most watched crypto asset of 2022. On the exchange, Bitcoin takes the top spot, Ethereum takes the 2nd. Guys, Shiba Inu is a beast. Whales are still accumulating. Obviously, whales got out. Some whales are accumulating because they know something's going on, and we're gonna find out what that is. I'm pretty sure sooner than later. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching, and me and you is watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.